Hi there, I'm Lisa with Swanson Somatic Wellness. You know that I love teaching, sharing, and offering super simple, easy tips and techniques to reset your nervous system. Today, I'm going to give you like the biggest life hack, the easiest tip I could offer, and that is using bilateral stimulation in your ears. Music. I'm going to drop a link in my description here. So if you are interested in trying this, you can click on that link and get the music for free. There's lots available, but I will put there my favorites. You can just, if you're ever feeling just stressed, anxious, nervous about an upcoming meeting, nervous about going into a tense situation, you can download your bilateral stimulation music and pop that in your ears. You just play it very quietly. It's just in the background. I actually have it on right now. It's what you hear also. And it's just playing in the background and it's just calming my vagus nerve. It is resetting my nervous system. It's allowing me to be present in the moment. Everything that I teach my clients and share with you here are things that I use or have used myself in the past. So I have tried everything that I am offering you also. I've used this as a simple technique when I have to face a difficult situation. No one knows what I'm listening to. I sometimes even play it in my house when my kids are stressing me out. I have it in my ears. I'm cooking dinner. I'm doing my thing. My kids don't know what's going on. And it literally just calms my nerves. That's exactly what it does. It's the music, the bilateral stimulation music is what EMDR therapists use, Brainspotting therapists use, Somatic therapists use. It's what I use as a coach for myself and my clients. So if you want to try it out, download or click the link below. And I hope this was a helpful tip for you today.